Imagine this. You walk into your garden, point at a random bird and say, "Bro, can you please sing my selfie?" And the bird goes,
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough.
chirp, chirp, chirp. Yeah, this is real. Welcome to 2025, where privacy is dead, AI is confused, and birds are now external hard drives. One guy, Ben Jordan, decided Google Drive was too mainstream. So he took a PNG image, converted it into an audio file, and played that audio on loop for a baby starling. Yes, a literal bird, for hours. Like some kind of weird techno lullaby. And after enough repetition, that baby bird learned the image, not the content. The entire data, encoded as sound. Now, when the bird sings, its chirp contains up to 176 KB of raw data per second. That's 2 megabytes per second if compressed. Now you might ask, why a starling bird? Why not a parrot? Because parrots are boomers. Starlings have a dual-engine syrinx, which is just fancy bird anatomy for God gave them dual-core vocal processors with Dolby Atmos support. Basically, they can remix audio with laser precision, like Bird GPT with perfect lossless playback. It's like if Arijit Singh was a data center. So theoretically, you could convert your tax documents to sound, play them to your pet bird, and voila, income tax embedded in chirping. Imagine being in a cybercrime investigation and they say, "Sir, is it true you smuggled 5 terabytes of pirated movies through 14 pigeons and a mina?"
Everybody here knows that you just fake it. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore. I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?